Welcome back, guys. It's Kids Coding Playground here, and today we're back for another video of Scratch. And today we are doing an Earth Day project. Some of you might have already seen that on my profile. Because I already shared the project, so you guys probably seen that. But today I'll be teaching you how to make the game. So yeah, let's get started. Some music. April 22nd is Earth Day. If you did not know, then please help me clean up some trash from the ocean. And it'll just grow larger. And guys, I'm eating something right now, so yeah. So there's a little diver. He's collecting the trash. And there's like soda cans. There's a trapped turtle. Save the turtles. Save the trees. Save the earth. We should always save the earth because that's where we live. And the earth is important. So, look, I saved the fish. Now the portal opened and now I can enter it. Look, I'm gonna get the bag. I'm gonna get the soda can real quick. I'm eating gummies. So, the earth is really important, of course. So, do your part, clean up the earth. Now we're on the third level. This is going to be the last level, so soda can, water bottle, as normal. Oh yeah, and sometimes you can get stuck. I couldn't do anything about it, so the diver's legs are a little bit long, so you cannot, you'll get stuck. So the only way to get unstuck is click R to reset. So sorry guys, but I couldn't figure out anything because the diver has really big flippers, and if you didn't have flippers to swim, this would have been really way better. I mean, you can cut off the flippers if you want, but I mean, like, he's not a diver anymore. So it says you did a great job. Thank you for your help. And then that'll be the end of this game. So let's get started. So first, you got a Scratch cat. So we have to do our cat, our earth, our maze, our bag, everything. So I'm gonna do the cat. So when the green flag is clicked, it'll show. It'll say April 22nd is Earth Day. And then, so it'll also say we need to do our part to help and keep our earth clean. We have to keep our earth clean, guys. Do your part, help the world out. So, and we have one last thing that you have to say. Oopsies, sorry. I'm still eating my gummies, guys, so sorry. Next thing, I'll say, please help me to clean up some of the trash in the ocean. Alright, so now we can finally code because I'm done eating my gummies. So, yeah. Broadcast zoom in, and then this zoom in will do a lot. It's the start of the chain. So we have to get our earth. I'm gonna drag both of these earths. You'll find out why we need both. We don't need both, but like, I'm just gonna show you. So now there's 2 earths in a parallel universe. So the earth, this is the baby earth, which is the regular earth we're gonna work with. No, not work with, but I'm gonna demonstrate. So when you duplicate it, you can make every larger, a little bit larger, because that's what we did to make the zoom in. So that's basically what we did to go into the ocean. So yeah, and we can just keep on doing that. You get the point. Or you can just go out of Google Drive and download everything we have. So right now, I'm making the earth larger and larger. You have to center it, so then it will stay in the center and will not go off the thing. So this is basically what we have, 5 earths. And then this one, we made 10 earths, and it'll slowly get larger, and then number 10 is just big. So as you can see, that's number 10. So you just basically get the point, right? If you zoom in, and that's to put a maze, so you can customize your own mazes. It's pretty fun. You can drag, like, you can just customize your own mazes. I mean, people can be creative and make their own mazes all around. So that's great. So you gotta use the rectangular blocks, these, and then you gotta drag them like that, and then you get a piece. So, or you can drag it like that, which will be impossible to get to, but that's fine. So yeah, we have that. And then there is the maze. So we need the bag, the turtle, the fish, and the soda can, and the portal, and the. Did I already drag this fish? I think maybe it's still loading on it. And then we need the. It's still saving. And then we need the soda can, and then we need the portal, and then we need the bottle. So we have 9 sprites. Now we need to continue on the earth. So zoom in is when you zoom in into the earth, so then you can get started on the real project. So when the green flag is clicked, it'll switch costume to earth, which is the first costume. It'll go to 0, 0. And then when I receive zoom in, it'll repeat 10 times. It'll wait 0.1 seconds. 1. And switch costume. Next costume. And then broadcast and ocean. And this is where the big broadcast is, because this is where everything starts. Broadcast. Oh, in ocean. I wrote broadcast, so in ocean. So now you gotta go back to the cat and make it hide. So, and then it'll hide. And then now, I'm gonna show April 22nd is Earth Day. We need to do our part and help, and blah, 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 blah. And it'll zoom in into the earth, and then you'll see the diver and everything. So now, we need to hide after that. Sorry, I didn't put that. And now we can get started on the maze, and basically everything else. So when the green, we gotta get the diver. Sorry, that is the main thing we have here. Diver 2. And then we have the maze. So when the green flag is clicked, it'll go to 0, 0. And it will switch costume to costume 1, which is the first level basically, because costume 1. And they'll hide. It will, when I receive in ocean, it will show, of course, because it will show if it's in the ocean. And then you need to, so we're gonna work on the diver next, because the diver is the most important. And so we have when the green flag is clicked, it will set level to 1. So we're gonna make a new variable, level. And now we have to do set level to 1. First level is always called 1. So we have to name this Happy Earth Day. I forgot to name it. And then it'll go to x 170, negative 170. And now the x is 135. Y, and the x is negative 170. And it'll point in direction 90, and it will hide. So that's basically the diver code, except we have a big chunk for the left arrow and right arrow keys. So this is to get the diver over there. I'm going to change the size to 40 real quick. This is to get the diver all the way over here. So when I receive in ocean, it will go to that position. It'll point in direction 90, of course. It'll show. It'll go forever. So this is for the left arrow, right arrow type of thing. And then you need an if and then statement touching the color. I'm going to show this real quick. If it's touching the color, then I'll switch to the next level. Eyedropper, yellow, stop, save now. And then, so if you did not notice, from my demo, when you collect all the trash, it will be yellow, but if you don't, it's going to be black. So that's how it is. And then you have the diver. So if touching the color yellow, it will hide. It will broadcast next level. It will stop the script. And then we need a if then all the arrows. So this will take quite a while. So if then the up arrow is clicked, pressed, same thing, then it will be if then the touching, I gotta make the backdrop. If then touching the color, you gotta make the backdrop. You gotta make the backdrop for the, I'm gonna make the backdrop. I actually did not need the backdrop right now, so you need the if then touching color. This is the best I can do to prevent this. Then it will change Y by -10. And then, so now we need to do set rotation style to all around, because one of them, I think the left side is left right, so it won't flip over. So you need set rotation style to all around. It'll point in direction 0. And it'll move 10 steps. It will wait 0.1 seconds. So we got the up arrow. And now we can make the down arrow. Oopsies. Which is right under the up arrow, but it's still in the forever loop. So instead, now you gotta do down arrow. And then instead, you gotta change Y by 10. That's pretty obvious. And then you gotta set rotation out all around still. And then this point direction is 180. So it'll be like that. And then it'll move 10 steps and wait 0.1 seconds. Left arrow is way different, but I'm just gonna duplicate it. So then it will be it's almost the same, a little bit different. So instead it's X. So left arrow, change X by 10, and set rotation style to left right, so that it will not flip around. Because if you did left side, it will be a backstroke. So we want it freestyle. And it'll point direction -90, and move 10 steps and wait 0.1 second. Okay, so now we're gonna do the right arrow, which is pretty much the same as the left arrow, just a tinge difference. And it'll change X by -10, set rotation style to all around, point in direction 90, and then there you got it, right arrow. So now I'm gonna make the backdrop. All around left and right is all okay, but now I'm gonna make the backdrop. So just a shade of blue. A shade of blue. So you can just make a gigantic square because that's bitmap, and bitmap is not the best. So then you need to do this, and then you gotta go like that. Doesn't matter if there's a black outline, you won't be able to see it anyways. So now we got that covered. Now I'm gonna make the bag. So in my original game, I had a double backdrop. I just switched the first backdrop, so I think that's fine. You don't really need it. Backdrops don't really matter unless if it's like an animation plot or something. So I'm gonna demo the game for you. So I'm gonna put that back in. Wait a second. So I'm gonna broadcast zoom in. So there we go. We have the diver moving, and you still can get stuck. So I think there is a way out of this. So this is, I'm gonna do the reset code because there's nothing that I can possibly do about this. If you can find a solution, you guys can comment in the comment section below and see what you can do, and then we can get off of that idea and make our original a little bit more better. I mean, I still can't do it. I still can't put it. I still can't get him out of this maze, but that is absolutely fine. We do have a redo button. That's the best I can do for this one. So, yeah. Now we have to do. We're almost done with the diver. We'll do the rest later. So you need R to reset. So click R and look, we reset it. So R. I'm gonna move a little bit. R. Get stuck in the wall. What am I gonna do? R. So that's all we have for now. And I'm gonna also put back these lines so then the cat can say something. And then now we have to work on the bag. So the bag we have to work on. So when the green flag is clicked, it'll hide. Oopsies. Too close. And then when I receive an ocean, then it will go. If then level 1, if you make your level 1 different, it could end up in a different spot because of the way it's positioned. So if then level equals 1, it'll go to this position I have already. So the bag has to go to 1. I mean, it's fine, but you know, just here. Let's just put it here. It's close enough. I was only 3 digits on the X away and 4 digits on the Y away. So, and then the duplicate. Nope, not that. On level 2, it's going to be a way different story than level 1. So, on level 2, it'll be a different position. So, look, level 2 is different, level 3 is different. So, this is where level 2 is. You can put it anywhere you want, so I'm putting it over there. I'm pretty sure the original is over there, if I'm not mistaken. So, and then level 3 is a whole different story as well as level 2. So it can be over there. But I'm going to put the same coordinate so it will work. Level 3, negative 173, negative 114. And it'll show E. And then it will go forever. We're almost done. Bear with me on the turtle, the fish, the can, and the bottle. It's actually not even that far because all we have to do is just change just a little bit and then we'll be done. So touching diver 2, oopsies, diver 2, then it will hide and it will change items to pick up by -1. So we have items to pick up. So change items to pick up by -1. And it'll stop the script. So we gotta make the items to pick up 5. But first we have to put all of this into here. Make the items to pick up 5 on each level. So I'm gonna work on the maze. So we can do the when I receive a next level. Then I will, so the diver broadcasts it right here. Then I will change level by +1. And I will go if then else. If then the level equals 4, if 4 is greater than level, which means it is level 4, which is the end. 3, it's greater than 3, which is basically level 4. It'll set items to pick up. So this is on level 3, and this is on level 4. So this is 1, 2, 3 right here, and then this is level 4. It'll set items to pick up to 5 in the beginning of all the levels. Next costume, and it will broadcast in ocean. And wait. And it'll broadcast cleanup finished. Saw it right? Yeah, I think I did. And then it will broadcast cleanup finished. And then that means it will hide this thing. So when cleanup finished, then it will hide. And you basically got to do this for all of them. So on the diver, on the bag, on the maze itself, it already has it, on the turtle, on the fish, on the can, on the water bottle, and on the exit. So we have it all. So on the diver, where'd it go? Wow. It didn't even save. It didn't even put it in. So I'm going to put it back in the diver. I remember putting it in the diver. Look, right there. And then let's see. No, just zoom out so I can see in the bag. Great. In the turtle, in the fish, in the can, in the bottle, in the exit. So we have it all. And then now we gotta work on the bag. Which are we done? We are done with the bag. So these 3 scripts. So now we just have to do this and put them in different spots. This, this, this. So now let's work on the turtle. So let's see where this will go. So we're gonna move this to the exit as well. And now I'm gonna work on the turtle. So you also need this on all of them. This on all of them. And this. So I already put it there. So when the the thing is negative 184, then the y is negative 106. So sorry guys, I'm on the turtle, so that means this is 142, this is 122, 150, 30, 159, 7. So we have that. So you can just adjust and move wherever you want, but these are my old coordinates I had from my old game. So this is why I'm using these precisely numbers. Now fish. Level 1 is 153. Level negative 122. Negative 118. Negative 60. 76. Negative 123. Now the can. So let's move that. Negative 106. Negative 43. That's for the can. 173. 102. Negative 184. And 5. So yeah, now we have to work on the bottle. So the bottle is negative 23, y negative 107, negative 23, negative 107, 150, 108. So that's for the bottle, and now the exit. So this is, remember, you don't have to have the precise numbers as me, but you can do that if you want to. 190, 40, 190, negative 121, negative 5, negative 123. So that is it. So we need the forever, you need the if then, items to pick up equals 0. Then it will switch costume to costume 2. And then there we go. And back to the earth and then the cat, and then we will end this. So if there's no more, so if the items to pick up equals 0, then I'll switch to the costume 2, which is basically the yellow one and not the black one. So we have that, and then now we gotta switch back to earth and the cat. So I changed the bag so it's the same as the old coordinates. So now we gotta go back to the earth. So when it is cleaned up, then it will switch costume to number 10. It'll show. It'll repeat 10 times. So it will just shrink. It'll wait 0.1 seconds. And it'll switch costume to costume number -1. So it'll go backward basically. So meaning the costume number -1. So it'll go backwards. And then now we'll broadcast thank you. We're so close to be finished. So this cat is when I receive thank you, then it will say show, say you did a great job, thank you for your help. And then for 4 seconds. And then now it will stop all. First we have to make the music. So the music is when the green flag is clicked, we'll switch costume to backdrop. Oh, we don't have a backdrop one. That's so the other one. So we have a backdrop 1, but not a backdrop 2, so that's still blue. So then it'll play emotional piano. So we'll put that. I'm gonna set the volume to 25 real quick. And then when I receive in the ocean, it's the same thing. So we already have one backdrop. So you can make 2 if you want to, but let's check out our game. Yes, sorry. I like 1 on each side. So burrito. So you see the items to pick up is working. Getting the turtles, save the turtles, save the fish, save the water bottles, save the world. So as you can see, it's working. So, oh yeah, one more thing. I forgot to do the exit, so it'll turn black when it's not completely finished. So we need to switch costume to costume 1 right over here. And then that should be great. So as you can see, this is this new scripted code. We added the switch costume to costume 1. So I'll see you when I finish what I just finished. So I'm going to add it in the diver to set the items to pick up back to 5 because it keeps on going to -1 for some reason. And I did the exact same code as the last one. And somehow the last one's getting set for some apparent reason. I do not know why. And for some reason, this one isn't getting set even if I don't even put it. But the other one is not even getting set and I didn't even put it. So now it's working. So yeah. So as you can see, this is the, you can see look, the portal's black. I fixed that and look, I'm stuck, so let's redo. And then we need to again. And then now we need to get the water bottle. And now we gotta get the fish. He's stuck in some net. Gatorade bottle net. So now we gotta get in and then look. We have level 2. I honestly hate getting the soda can. I made some parkour to make it a lot more harder. because the parkour is not hard, it's just like more difficult than the other. Then the blue water bottle, and then this thing, and look, we got it. And the last level, it's been 35 minutes and 26 seconds, so almost 40 minutes. So I'm about to beat the game, so I'm going to show you the whole game for you guys to see. And we are done. It took 40 minutes, but look, the globe is going back. You did a great job. Thank you for your help. And that is the end of the game. So please like, share, subscribe, and comment if you can fix the glitch on the diver getting stuck in the walls. If you can, please comment. Please, 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 please comment so we can fix it. And everything will be in the Google Drive. So see you guys, and happy Earth Day!